twice. This is my third time. I live on Lower River Road. I get flooded by this stormwater from Josephine County because our commissioners will not follow the law. We only have one county engineer within Josephine County, and I think that my daughter has bigger balls than he does. I have emailed your office for your request. I filled out the congressional inquiry for your request. I emailed my brief to your CEO for your request. I asked you the last time I saw you, do you promise me that you will respond to me if I give you my brief? You said yes. I've never heard from anybody. I'm getting pissed. I see all your happy, warm little newsletters that come out fighting for these people. This is a water law issue. You specialize in water law. You have up on the slides all of these things about all these cases, the people you've held, 4,000 people. Witness tells me we can make FEMA act because this isn't a FEMA floodway that I have somebody that put a culvert in illegally, unpermitted, and nobody will do shit about it. No permits, no engineering, no floodplain review. I have 3 acres of my property that I bought that is underwater, floods all the way over so much it floods my neighbor's home, who is an immigrant. She's a legal immigrant. Nobody here will do what's right. I'm getting freaking pissed. I don't like coming and speaking in front of people. I'm literally begging to be one of the 4,000 people that you have helped. I'm $150,000 into this. I've lost rights to my land. I cannot secure my property because this corrupt freaking Judge Wolke gave an easement to my neighbor to make sure that he can still funnel all the water to me that he has diverted and captured and funneled to me. I should not be taking Josephine County stormwater in my freaking yard. It's bullshit. What is going on? Where's the $6.4 million that the state of Oregon gave to the community to fix all of the flooding issues on Lower River Road? Where is that money? DeYoung tells me that they still have it. I haven't seen a dime of it. I have the jurisdictional transfer of Lower River Road to Josephine County in 2019 for $6.4 million to fix the bullshit that I'm dealing with. So, I'd ask you for help again, but I don't know how many more times I need to. I spent months putting together a congressional inquiry with all my facts and information. I can't even get your office to call FEMA. FEMA doesn't care that this is in a floodplain. Nobody cares. We don't follow the law. We don't follow our local building department code. Stevenson and Brandis gets up on the stand and lies to their freaking teeth. So how can you help your constituents in the specialty that you are in as far as water law when I'm literally getting flooded? Everybody in our community, there's a huge water issue. It's water. Help me, Rhonda.
Right, so I recall we had this conversation, I think it was at one of the Republican events.
Every time you come here, it was the first time I spoke to your office was in November of 21. I emailed you, I met you again in April of 22. I sent the brief in August of 22. I've done everything. I call, I request a meeting on your website that, on your website says, let us know if you have a federal issue, we'll help you. A phone call, just a phone call.
Here's what we're going to do. Witness will make a date for you to meet with me, either by video or in person. And we'll go through it again and go through your brief again, and so I can see what your arguments are. Because I think that's what you're asking for is a meeting, isn't it?
It is. I'll tell you what the main argument is.
No, excuse me. I know what your argument's going to be like hundreds of my clients when I used to practice law full time. It's complicated and it requires a map so I can understand it. This is not the place for you to explain to me the nature of your legal problem. So you are right, I'm a water lawyer and I've done this a lot, and the place we start is with a personal conversation with a map in front of me so I can understand your problem. That's how we're going to do it if you want to. Now, if you don't want to be
I've been trying for 2 years.
Okay, well, I just said, we're going to make a time, we're going to do it.
Okay, you're all my witness, yet again. Okay, thank you.
And where's witness?
I'm right here. Sorry.
Yeah,
You'll make arrangements.
So I'll talk with you as soon as we're done,
fabulous.
and then we'll get that information.
Great, thank you.
Okay, so that we can do
that meeting. This is the last question. 9179.